In today's video, I'll teach you how to unarchive a story on Instagram. First of all, launch open Instagram application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. What you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. So if you want to unarchive a story, for that what you have to do is tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings and activity over here. Over here you'll be able to find various options. Right over here you'll be able to find the section for how you use Instagram. At second you'll be able to find this option for archive. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the archives over here. You'll be able to see the stories archive. If you're not being able to see the stories archive, what you have to do is simply tap on the archive option that is selected right now. After you do that, make sure to tap on this option, stories archive. Now what you have to do is tap on the story that you would like to unarchive. Now you'll be able to see the story over here. Now over here you'll not be able to find such options like unarchive. But if you would like to unarchive the story, that means you want that story to be displayed on your profile. So in order to do that, what you have to do is simply add it to any kind of highlight. For that, what you have to do is tap on this highlight option that you can see at the bottom. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to add it to the highlight. You can simply add it to the existing highlight, or you can also create the new highlight of your choice. After you do that, what you have to do is tap on this option, add, that you can see on the screen. Now what will happen is that particular story will be displayed in the highlight. That means now people will be able to see that story. It is equivalent to unarchiving the story. So that is how you unarchive Instagram story. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.